Good morning, friends. Happy Tuesday to all of you. So, friends, it has been confirmed that new direct payments will be sent out in just 2 weeks. These payments will be worth up to $250 and will go out to all qualifying Americans. But there may be a deadline for you to claim this extra relief. Friends, this is your daily news report and Ford stimulus check update. Please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all the new details. I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, please make sure you click and like several of my videos and comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. And friends, the next giveaway is scheduled for tomorrow, so please stay tuned for that video.
1 year later, after 9 straight months of inflation over 6%, the prices are now rising at their fastest rate in over 40 years. Last week's inflation report confirmed on paper what working families have been feeling for a year. President Biden's prediction was dead wrong. Instead, prices are skyrocketing and paychecks aren't keeping up. Real hourly wages are declining at breakneck speeds, dropping a full 1% last month alone. The average American worker got a full 1% pay cut just last month alone due to inflation. The Biden administration has tried to claim that we're, quote, stronger economically than we have been in history. Well, that's what the White House press secretary told reporters earlier this month. Kentuckians know that's utterly absurd. They know the opposite is true. In my home state, the average household now spends over $600 more every month compared to the day President Biden took his oath of office. That comes out to more than $7,300 a year. Inflation is pushing Kentucky families to the brink. As a result, food bank demand is rising and shelves are running low. A soup kitchen in Campbell County put out an urgent call for volunteers as surging visitors threaten to overwhelm.
I have some good news from several state governments. Governor Ned Lamont announced that he has signed into law Connecticut's fiscal year 2023 budget, which includes more than $600 million in tax cuts. That is the largest tax reduction in Connecticut's history. Tax cuts in the package include suspending Connecticut's excise tax on gasoline through November 30th, 2022, and enacting a $250 per child tax credit for lower and middle income earning families. It also includes funding payments for earned income tax credit, increasing the property tax credit from $200 to $300, and speeding up a plan to eliminate taxes on pensions and annuities. The legislation is House Bill 5506. It was approved with bipartisan support of legislators, but many lawmakers have stated that the new payments for families is one of the most important parts of the bill. Connecticut families can apply for a child tax credit that is worth up to $250 per child. Governor Lamont said in a news release, the application period for this rebate will take place over the next several weeks, with the rebates going out in late August, just in time for the start of the next school year. I strongly urge all eligible families in Connecticut to submit an application so that the rebate can be sent with no delays. State residents who meet income requirements and can claim one or more dependent children younger than 18 years old are eligible for the rebate. Republican legislators had pitched a $1.2 billion tax relief plan in April after the state projected a budget surplus of nearly $4 billion. Democrats opposed the Republican plan, saying the $600 million tax cut is part of a more prudent budget adjustment, which is focused on making up for the impact of the crisis. So friends, do you support more money being allocated towards crisis relief funds Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is Magic Kingdom. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Magic Kingdom, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Democrats are short on time to act on a budget package containing much of President Biden's domestic agenda before the November's midterm elections. A handful of House Democrats from high-tax states like New Jersey and New York are still demanding that relief from a $10,000 cap on deductions for state and local taxes also be included if they are going to vote for the revised budget measure. But the fate of what they can get done before the midterm elections lies in the 50-50 Senate, where a new attempt was made to pass a major tax and spending package through the budget reconciliation process. Democratic Representative Tom Malinowski said in an interview, "We have a chance so long as there's a Democratic majority to use budget reconciliation to get some relief. If we had a Republican Congress, then there would be precisely zero chance." But the Senate's pivotal negotiator, West Virginia Democrat Joe Manchin, does not appear on board. Although Senator Chuck Schumer personally wants to lift the SALT cap, given that high taxes in his home state of New York, Manchin has always been cool to that idea. A proposed bill in the House would have raised the SALT cap to $80,000 through the year 2030, with the cap returning briefly to $10,000 in 2031 before expiring. The Joint Committee on Taxation scored that provision as a revenue raiser, $14.8 billion over 10 years, because the current law $10,000 cap is set to expire in 2025. So friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do you support raising the SALT cap? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my amazing and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this Tuesday. Thank you so much for joining me here. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching and listening to my videos. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Jay Bellini. Congratulations, dear friend. Please check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page to claim your gift card. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Tuesday.